Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Porous Plus. I have been MIA for a little while. We finally have summer in the spring. It's been scorchy out. It's just not been nice. Okay. What we're going to do tonight is I guess a ribbon pour, or maybe a tree ring pour. But I'm going to do it on, there's my chair. Okay, going to do it on, there we go, a switch plate that looks very nasty. Okay. Here. That's better. And we're going to pour it on a, goodness gracious, on a 12 by 12. Okay, so the colors in this are Phthalo blue, black, magenta deep, aqua, and white. If I didn't say old gold, it's old gold. So we're just gonna, I'm kind of getting back into the swing of things. Okay. Let's take this down for a little run, see what we can do. He even got a new cup here. Alrighty. Phew. Let's try the, this is going to be a darkie, isn't it? Hoping there's enough paint in here. I'm out of practice, I really am. It's been a good long time since I've been down here to do much of anything. We're going to add some more to that. Yes, we are. Going to add more of the aqua. I was going to bring a vase down, but then I had to go up and get canvases. And I got the new leveler. And I guess I forgot the vase. So, what you gonna do? Okay. It's really the first night I felt like I could walk down the stairs without much pain. And what I should be doing is bringing stuff down. But no. We gotta play. Oh, heaven forbid we should do anything constructive. Let's go with more of that gold. I've heard a lot about rose gold, and I'm wondering, if I put pink with the gold, will that make it rose gold? I'm going to look that up online. See what they say about it. You'd think I would know all this stuff, but rose gold is not a common color. Okay, I'm looking this over before I go stupid. That lid on the black is not staying down for some reason. Okay. Here we're going to go again. That's a big splash. We just kind of went willy-nilly on that one, didn't we? Okay. It's going to turn out totally different than I even thought it would. Okay. Set that down there for a minute. That's going to be interesting. Let me move some of this. Whoops, over to there. And yes, we're going to pull it over this way a little bit more. So I could set that down on there for it to dry. Really need to clean this station a lot. Okay, trying to get, there we go. I got the yellow taken care of, I hope. Okay. Let's see what we're doing here. It's ever so slightly going over the edge. Okay, cup, come here. Trying to bring it back. All right, now I'm looking for something, as usual. There we go. And things are stuck. Boy, oh boy. Very disorganized tonight. There's that yellow again. Okay. Okay, we're going to try and pick this up. Make sure it's covered. Okay. No, I think I use a stick. I am really out of practice. I'm so sorry. Okay. Gonna see if we can dislodge a stick from somewhere. I don't know where they all went to. I think there's... Okay, hanging on, hanging on. There we go. Okay. I think there's gremlins in my basement. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. Oh, you're seeing me at almost my worst here, people. I apologize. Okay. Here we go. Well, that was real graceful. Ha! Alrighties. Oi. Now let's take the torch to it a little bit. Alright. I did refill this. That was the story I was going to tell you about. Actually, I did a video last week. Or was it earlier this week? I don't know when. And I had started it first just to get it kind of going. Which was really kind of stupid. It's not like it needs to... This is kind of interesting. Not like it needs to warm up or anything. And then I thought I'd put it on pause. And then I went around doing my little stuff here and played a couple songs from the 80s. And I swear to God, I never want to hear myself sing again. No, 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 no. So I got done, and I pushed the record. When I was ready, I got done. Pushed the record, or so I thought. Did a whole painting. Oh, this is interesting. And, of course, we poured over that because we're dipshits. Excuse my language. Okay. And, anywho, long story short, because I can't remember where the heck I left off at, I ended up taping myself, getting ready for things, and the singing. And, I think it was then I said, okay, well, let's just, we got to rethink this. We're just not quite right. Oh, well, I already knew that, but anywho, so that's what happened to that one. I don't even know which. Yes, I do. Okay, I did another, oh, and I should have had this done. I did another swipe. And I'll show it to you in just a moment as soon as I get my hands cleaned here. And, yeah. It wasn't that exciting of a swipe. But, still, it's like, my God. Old woman, get your stuff together. Okay. Here's what I ended up doing. It didn't turn out that wonderful. I did the hot pink and the whatever blue that was, thinking it'd be awesome just to alternate. Yeah, okay. I guess that's all that matters. So, alrighties. This does have some potential to it. Oh my word. That thing needs saved. Okay. Here goes one glove. Here goes the other. I like these colors in here. These are pretty. Give it a torch. I guess I turned it off. Oh, maybe that's not. That might just be a little piece of paint. Wow, I'm liking this more than I thought I would. Wow. Okay. These things again. Let's pluck that out of there. Maybe. I hope I got it. Sit down here and get it. There we go. Now we got it. Everything's good. Alright. I'm going to put you on pause and bring you down for a close-up. Wow, I did it. I'm not going to hoot and holler about it. Okay. Sorry about my hand here. Okay, let's start in the bottom, one of the corners. There's my little faux pas in there. But it might actually be a blessing, you never know, going up here. I'm liking those little ribbon lights up there. Those are cool. And along the top. Almost looks like I put pink in there, but it's actually darker than it is showing on here. Those blues are nice. And that orange in there, well, I guess it's has to be gold, but looks like copper in real time. And it looks like an eye in there. Oh, and there's the overall of it. Okay, and let's see this poor thing. Alright, I'm going to put it on the rack. Hopefully I can transfer it over there so it won't be so tilted and hopefully dry nicely. So that's my video tonight. And I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you like this, so you'll be notified when I put more crazy things on here. You don't want to miss this loony old woman. You never know what she's going to do next. So y'all take care. Have a great night. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye, guys. Hey, Jackie from the basement again. You know how accidents happen. I was trying to pull the last one I did off this paper so I could go set it somewhere where it would be safe. And something got caught on this paper and it flipped. And I flipped. So, yeah. It hopefully will make some nice acrylic skins. I am so sick, darn it. I love that painting. Okay. Just thought I'd give you an update. Oh, here it goes down the table. That's gonna be pretty on the floor, isn't it? Okay. I'm gonna sign off again. I'm gonna go backstairs and redo this maybe tomorrow. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.